So here is the book, and if you go to chapter 2, it covers everything that I did. It's covered in this chapter, and more. There is most of this comes from here, the language semantics, scalar types, control flow, and F string is not in this chapter. F string is covered in a future chapter, but I brought it up because we have to do printing all the time, so we need to be able to do that. So I brought F string a little further up, but you will see that we have covered the topics, but some areas I didn't go deep like the textbook does. I only did what we will be working on. But those who are interested, I encourage you to read the text and go deeper. And if you need any help with any of that, and I'll be very happy to spend time with you and help you out. Okay, so remember the computer coding like this, like in Excel. If you just do in class and look at it again, you're not going to learn. You forget. You have to keep using, and then only you get the hang of it, and you learn how to use. The same here. So you have to keep using, otherwise you lose it. Okay. So let's look at the learning objectives. Okay, so how Python interpret execute code, use tab completion, semantic language semantics like the colon and the indenting and so on, multi-line code, okay, 3 apostrophes, and inline comment will be number sign, valid variable names, valid scalar types, okay, like string, Boolean, numeric, and so on. Binary operators, okay, like percentage sign, backslash, 2 slashes, plus, minus, and so on. The built-in functions of string functions, we did that. Typecasting to perform arithmetic operation in date time object. Okay, converting string scalar to date time, which we did it just now. Time delta, and then different flow controls, if else, okay, and then loops, for loop, enumerate, while loop, and then printing using F string format. So we covered all of those topics in this chapter. Okay. So next we're going to move on to chapter 3.